Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafowethu beseyifikile kwelo cala lenu into yoba sebeqalise ukugrogrisa uPhakela Umthakathi ngokumbhekisa ecourt naye. This comes after, I think it was 3 days ago, xa babe-interviewa i-SABC interviewa uMinister of Land Reforms and Rural Development, uMzwanele banibala ngikwazi nje ukuyipronouncer ifani yakhe, ukweli cala le-PAC malunga nale nto esibhizi ngayo. Hayi abe ngumuntu yena u-against le nto iwesi into yakhona into yoba ifocus ebantwini abamnyama kutheni singayi ebelungwini. Nalama borders esiwafunayo artificially introduced ngo-1886 bona abazolidwa ngama-taxi urefera kuPhakela Umthakathi noJacinta Nongizwe ke hayi kube ngunywihlnywihlwi nje ininzi lento yakhe akayithethayo. The following day uPhakela Umthakathi uinvitwa ke ngoku nguSkim GP kwi-podcast yakhe uya-interviewa. Xa ke interviewa bafike kulo mcimbi lona hayi abe nawo amagama uPhakela Umthakathi ukuthi nanku omnye uMzwanele he was busy talking nonsense apha ebhizi esixelela ngento yoba kutheni singa-attendi of singa-athekhi abanye abelungu sifocus apha ebantwini abamnyama. Wathi uyi-leader yena self ene yena uhlala nababelungu. Kutheni yena xa kucaba yena unento inemfazi unento akayibonayo erong okanye ufila into yoba kumele be-attendiwe nabo kutheni nengabe-attend. Ngapha ubhizi ke wathekhala nalo mcimbi wokwenza namabhota wabe namagama kawatshoyo wathi futhi ngaphezulu the very same minister yena uMzwanele lowo ikwanguye umuntu obhizi ogxothana ivectana ogxothana nabantu abamnyama emaplasini ogxothana nabantu abamnyama emhlabeni wabo ebhizi enenjongo zokunikeza kwalamabhulo engathi ufuna ukulwa nabo because thina singabantu abamnyama sidile nomcimbi nokwenza nabantu abamnyama because siphila nabo si-experience yonke lento esiyi-experienceayo apha kubo. So since yena esazi into yoba ikhona into erong enokwenza nabelungu ehlala nabo naye ke udlale yakhe indima kwela cala kukuthi khona lapho erefere khona into yoba kwalo muntu owabulala uChrizani wayengumlungu wayeze eSouth Africa ngendlela engaqondakali ngokutheni singafocus apha ebelungwini. So uza ngaleyo angle leyo so waphendula loo nto ke ngokuPhakela Umthakathi. So yiyo lento ke ngoku akaseke futhi ukusela yona uPhakela Umthakathi phi ecourt esithi intoni yi-defamation of character. Since uPhakela Umthakathi esithi kwayena unenjongo zoba axuthule umhlaba okanye agxothe abantu abamnyama ivictane nabantu abamnyama enenjongo zokuthini ezoba ayinikeze phi hayi ke iphumile ke phofu even imedia statement esuka phi esuka kulo Mzwanele leyo. So ndizama ukuthi bafethu I think right now abasawuqondi lo mcimbi lona. I think sebe late kakhulu abasawuqondi into yoba noba bangagrogrisa uPhakela Umthakathi noba banga-arresta omnye wabo okusalayo ukhona omnye uPhakela Umthakathi ozavela noba banga-arresta uJacinta okusalayo ukhona uJacinta ozavela noba banga-arresta uNgizwe Mchunu okusalayo right now in the grid indlela esesihambile right now ukunqandeka yinto uba sizanqandeka nje because asiyobantwana bona abangalawuleki qha right now sesiphakamise inhloko sisithi sizawulawuleka provided that niyasimamela. And uba ngaba anisimameli sizaba nengxaki. Into iseyilapho sithanda into yoba on my previous post nditshila into yoba ama-Nigeria namhlanje kuthiwe bayahamba i-first batch ngapha elandelana neMozambique nayo seyithathile i-batch nyana zabo ngapha neGhana hayi kona siza ngolayini njengoba bezixelela into yoba bazafuna ukugrogrisana nabantu ngento enokwenza umthetho bewazi into yoba inoba bona ipokodo zabo zivutshiwe nje hayi bafethu i-South Africans uba ngaba kumele into yoba ziziteketshe for lento esibhizi ngayo sizaziteketsha. Enye uba ngaba amagqwetha kuyaya apho kubedingakala because right now umzekelo bona uPhakela Umthakathi masithi noba banayo i-connection nyana eyamagqwetha kuzaya kuye okanye kuye kube nzima kodwa into engiyithandayo ngama-South Africans le into hayi abadoda wasazimiselanga rhoxa. So nje sengathi omnye nomnye especially kwaba bapha kuma-leaders ofuna uku-athekhana nalento esiyenzayo hayi angayihlalela phansi amilisa ingqondo because nje ukubukela umva kona hayi asisajiki asidlali apha lilizwe lokhokho bethu phi eli.
Cha webantu basenkandla bafethu ngwakho impela enkandla bafethu uthi ngoba asikho seseyindaweni lapha esikhona kodwa imashini mashimayela eGoli siyaphuma siyisupport nami ngisuke ngikhona uthi obangithanda ukubuka kodwa bafethu lento eniyenzile lapha enkandla ngeke angeke bafethu ukuthi ningathi imash and mash isikhona bafethu egcekeni isikhona impela bafethu isikhona nizophuma nibe bawu10 hayi kahleni bafethu lento enenzile mina ngiyithanda angithandi bafethu lento enenzile uphakela umthakathi usuka le ungizwe ngichunu udelile ngokuthi ubuye supporta indawo yangakubo kodwa niphuma nebaba u10 enkandla zikho insizwe engake inkandla ngiyayazi ngakhona mina siningabe insizwe enkandla kahleni madoda kahleni ngene ngitshela ukuthi abantu abakovi enkandla laba abala abantu abasuka komashayizeni abantu abasuka kondweni abantu abala iphi inkonisa ziphi imamba hayi kahleni iphi ivutshini iphi intingwe ziphi impisi iphi ikhombe bapho odolwane iphi ipholela bapho bani bapho manyane bangabe kuzovela abantu abangaka la bekumele nibhukhe nama truck bafethunele hayi bafethu mina ngomkhaya bami nonke nami ngakhona impela kodwa lento enenzile kuzophuma abantu abangaka ikahleni bunini hey niyayenza leyo nto nangenzi singitheni.
Why are these anti-illegal activists getting themselves in trouble? Like, I keep questioning myself and I really don't get it. I don't get the answer. Uphakela Mthakathi went to this other podcast and he even mentioned they can sue me if I'm lying. And now he got himself in trouble. I actually thought that Uphakela Mthakathi is the smartest one out of all those match and match leaders. Like, I thought he is the smartest one because they've never gotten himself into such a mess. And here he is now, guys. What is happening? What is going on? Why are these leaders being taken to court? Which means this thing is very dangerous, most. It's not as easy as it seems like. Because why will they get involved in something that I know where it will get me to court, it will get me to jail? Like, why will they get involved in such things? Why will you even sit there and say such things? Guys, it really does not make any sense to me that he mentioned things that he was not supposed to mention, things that he knew, or at the end, they will actually take him to court. But let's just hope that he does have enough proof, yes, so that this will not get him in any trouble. Because guys, it's a lot, man. These leaders are just going through it. I'm actually realizing it right now. But these people are actually going through a lot, because it's not nice to be going up and down with these court case, and it's really not nice. But I feel like this was avoidable. This was not necessary for him to say. Just do your thing. If you are marching against illegal foreigners, just do that. Do that and leave everything that has nothing to do with you aside. Do not involve people. And I feel like these leaders also have to understand that every South African have got their own right to share their own perspective. The very same way they're sharing their own perspective. There is nothing wrong with that.